Okay. They are using a huge crane to install the steel for the structure for the gangway. It's the entrance to the bottom floor of Exploration Station. I'm just taking a quick video. We can't get any closer. Isn't this neat? Aren't they beautiful? This whole space is amazing. I'm shooting up so they can see how huge this crane is. Goes way back over there. And I'll back up. Just carefully lowering it. Just take a quick little video and then I'll have Amy send an explanation. And that's all going to be painted, even though it ironically goes with the site right now because of the color.
Oh, yeah, right.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.